In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add bullet points in Google Docs and customize them to make your lists neat and organized. If this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. To add bullet points, place your cursor where you want the list to begin. Then, go to the top menu, click on Format, choose Bullets and Numbering, and then select Bulleted List. This will instantly add bullets to your text. Another way to do this is from the toolbar. If you don't see the bullet list icon, click on the three dots, More Options in the toolbar, and from there, select the Bulleted List option. If you want to customize your bullets, click the small arrow next to the Bulleted List icon. Here, you'll see different styles such as arrows, hollow circles, or stars. You can also create sublists by pressing the Tab key to indent your bullet points. To return to the main list, just press Shift-Tab. And that's it. Now you know how to add and manage bullet points in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs guides.